Taizhou Lemin Welding Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2011, located at the Wenling city of Zhejiang Province, which is near to expressway, airport, and train station. Meanwhile, we're the branch company of large-scale enterprise group Zhejiang Shangyuan Compressor Manufacture Company Limited, is one of the leader of oil-free air compressor manufacturer in China. Taizhou Lemin Welding Equipment Company Limited is focusing on the research and developing advanced inverter welding machines such as manual metal arc welder, TIG welder, MIG/MAC welder, and air plasma cutting machines. We deliver consistent quality from ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facilities that you can rely on every turn. Our application-specific engineers and dedicated R&D team are able to tailor solutions for optimal performance and value. Whether you're in production, farming, maintenance, auto repair, or a do-it-yourselfer, we have a product that fits your needs. Excellent product quality and perfect pre-sales and after-sales service help us win the praise of our customers. Our advantages? Can-do, and yes, why not, philosophy defines Lemin's global approach. Lemin's customer-centric spirit makes it easy to work and partner with us. Lemin's knowledge and industry-focused terms are driven to meet and exceed customers' expectations. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking your new products, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.